Okay, I thought getting it in was gonna be the harder part. I couldn't even get the friggin' connector to go in afterwards. Trying to get an angle here. So there's the yellow red wire, and you can see I can kind of see the resistor back there. So it screws in, same like a lot of bulbs, marker light bulbs and such. So clockwise, obviously to lock it in. When you're taking it out, turn it counterclockwise and have it pop out. Make sure you line it up, remember which way it came out. Yeah, sorry, I know the angle is really bad here, it's hard for me to film. So yeah, we're backing up from there just to give you guys a better view. And then here was the accelerator pedal, which is easy enough to take off. It's just a plug on top, and then 3 10mm nuts. And this panel right here had to come out. Very easy to, it's just pull it directly towards you. I mean, be gentle, but still, it's just clipped in direct. There's no weird locks or anything like that. And that's it. Yeah, it's 2015 Volvo XC60 T5. What a job. And I even went as far as to get an original bear, apparently made in Germany. Freaking no better than crappy made in China parts. I mean, the socket for the connector did not work. I had to actually modify it a little bit, and I didn't think I'd have still that much problems getting it in there now that I locked it in finally. So it was a bit of a battle. Okay, hope this helps somebody out, because it was a real pain in the butt for me. Take it easy.